Hi guys, welcome back to Campbell's Freedom Farm. So today we're going to get our beds ready for the winter, and it also make it easier in the spring when it's hectic with all the plants that we get. So what we want to do first is we know we're going to plant roses, so we already have our pots here dug out. That way we have to put our soil right here, which I'll show you the next step. And then something else, we had lemongrass here. And what we want to do, which we'll do this last, is we want to either kind of poke it with this, get it out, and we're either going to mow it, so that way it goes to little pieces, or we're going to use our leaf sucker upper, whatever that is called. It's a nifty tool, and we're going to use it in here as well. So first, the first step is we're going to go ahead and take our soil and put it right here. Our pots are in, so now we have to backfill in. So we'll be back in 30 minutes. Right, we got most of the back soil done here, and now I'm just kind of cleaning off this from all the dirt that went on here. So we have our accent stones, which actually came from the old farmhouse. All right, so now that we have this backfilled, we're going to go ahead and clean this up with the pitchfork. We got to get all these weeds out, loosen them up, and then we got to we're going to have a pile of lemongrass, so we'll go ahead and probably use the leaf blower to get it all chopped up nicely. So we'll go ahead and just dig all this up. Try not to fall. All right, so it's really cleaned up nice so far. We wanted to do the lasagna effect, but there were too many weeds that we had to dig a little bit to get them all out. So what we want to do now is we want to use the lemongrass. I mean, it's going to decompose in here, which is great, but also it has citronella in, so it's going to keep away all the bugs. That way then, for the plants that we plant here in the spring, which should be roses, as you know, it'll be beautiful. It'll help to keep all that away. So we're going to go ahead and use our leaf thing. What I'm going to do, I probably wouldn't advise, but I'm going to have to put the lemongrass, kind of shove it in here a little bit. So if you do it, I'm not responsible. So let's get started. Really good, sucking up all the lemongrass. It gave a really great citronella fragrance, which will be great because it's going to keep all of these little pesky bugs away that keep eating our plants. So it's not perfect, but it did get it pretty well, and it'll decompose. So we're going to go ahead and just put it all throughout here. We're going to turn the soil more again, and we still need to get more leaves, get all the fall leaves as we keep going. So we'll go ahead and put it everywhere, even back here. So we'll just go ahead and start dumping them all out. And we did get some leaves that had fallen here as well. Man, it does smell really good. And we'll go ahead and get the front too. So this will be great. We're just cleaning this up. If you can do the lasagna effect, that's even better with the newspapers, leaves, especially with the fall. Don't throw away your leaves. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put the rest of this down. Please subscribe, like, and share. Oh, and don't forget our foster dog. If we can share the video from our other phone, he is a garden dog. He was digging in the wheelbarrow after we put the soil in. It was really cute. So if you know anybody that wants a puppy for Christmas to find a permanent home, let us know. But past that, as Stefan says, make sure you like, share, and subscribe.
Right. See, this dog, foster dog, Rusty, actually belongs to a gardener. Doesn't anybody want to adopt this foster puppy? He's very helpful.